Thank you so much for watching the Press Avenue YouTube channel. We answer your questions about WordPress, freelancing, social media, and all the tools and services in between. Today we are asked, how can I remove myself from a Facebook group? So we'll head over to Facebook itself. So I've already logged into Facebook. Your feed will obviously look different. And you wanted to click on Groups. So typically it's in the bottom left, depending on your shortcuts on the side here. Go ahead and hit Groups. If you can't find it, alternatively, you can go to facebook.com/groups, and I'll put a link in the description below. If this is helpful for you in any way, please give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments. All right, so here we are at Groups. Again, yours will be different because these are mine. This applies to groups you manage and groups that other people manage. The only caveat is if you're trying to leave a group that you manage, there has to be someone else that's the admin, otherwise it won't let you do it. So first scroll down and find a group you want to leave. So we will do, let's see, this one right here. So this one's just spam all day long, so I'll just go ahead and leave it. You click the little gear, kind of looks like a flower because it's very small, and then you click Leave Group. So then it pops up this warning saying, hey, are you sure you want to leave this group? You can turn off notifications, or you can report them, or whatever. You can also check the box to prevent other members from adding you back to the group. So if you have friends or you know other people in the group, they can just put you right back in it. That's up to you. The next thing you do is simply click Leave Group. And there you have it. It refreshes. Doesn't say anything else, but when you go back down, you'll see that that group is no longer there. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to ask us in the comments below. Again, if it's helpful in any way, I would love to see a thumbs up. Go ahead and click that red subscribe button with the little bell next to it. Obviously, I've already done that. And you'll see more great videos like this one. And lastly, this question came in from our website. If you go to pressavenue.com/ask, you'll see the Ask a Question. Go ahead and enter your question here, and we'd love to answer it via video. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. You can click the little circle right below me to subscribe to the channel. Right next to it is a square. This brings you to the website without having to type in anything. Over here on the right-hand side, we're going to have a best of video just for you, and also the most recent upload. Thanks again for watching.